So apparently my phone is being stupid. So I'm gonna fix it. When I can. How I can. Yeah. Today was good. Anything that happened that was good, probably... I met a couple new people today. And recently it's been pretty good because I'm starting to talk to all my old friends that I haven't talked to in a while. And... oh yeah, you see my hair little flip? It's pretty funny. Just kind of does that little curl. Yeah, I don't know why. Just kind of does. There you go, you can see it better there. Yeah. Does that whole little... but, yeah, so I'm going to get a haircut soon. I'm going to start parkour soon. And I'm going to start practicing for a Sunday youth group thing for music, because I have to sing a song with my friend Nikki. And yeah, I'm just going to have some fun. Yeah, my tongue is a monster. Bye!